Oh my goodness, these are simply amazing. Stay tuned for how I made these delicious 2-point chocolate chip oatmeal cookies. On the back of this Kodiak cake pancake mix box, there is a recipe for chocolate chip cookies. I'm going to make these, but I'm going to sub out the butter, the regular brown sugar, the chocolate chips for some light versions of these things. So some light butter, some Lily's baking chips, some Swerve brown sugar, and I'm going to attempt to make these chocolate chip oatmeal cookies. Really they are, but lighten them up. So I will show you how they turn out at the end, changing out some of these ingredients. My recipe made 21 cookies, and these were so delightful. They just taste great. And so I really just followed that recipe that was right on the back of the box, except subbing out healthy ingredients for the ones that were full of sugar. So I ended up using 1.5 cups of that dry mix, which on Weight Watchers, that's 11 points. I used 210 of those Lily's chips. That was 100 grams weighed out for 16 points. 6 tablespoons of the light blue bonnet. Again, I used the regular old-fashioned Quaker oats that I had on hand, a cup of those, 7 points. And then I replaced the brown sugar with Swerve sugar substitute. 1 cup of that really helped cut down on those points. Delicious 2-point chocolate chip cookie. You cannot beat these.